Welcome to today's JavaScript lesson on comments. In JavaScript, comments are a powerful tool for enhancing code readability and documentation. Let's explore the two main types: single-line comments, perfect for brief notes, and multi-line comments, ideal for detailed explanations. Let's dive in. To add comments in JavaScript, you can use two different syntax styles. The first style is a single-line comment, and it's denoted by two forward slashes, followed by your comment text. Here's an example. Single-line comments are excellent for short notes or explanations. The second style of comments in JavaScript is multi-line or block comments. You use a forward slash followed by an asterisk to begin a multi-line comment, and then an asterisk followed by a forward slash to end it. Everything between these symbols is considered a comment, whether it spans multiple lines or just one. Here's an example. Multi-line comments are versatile and allow you to provide comprehensive explanations, making your code more accessible and maintainable. Now, let's explore a practical example. Behold, a code snippet that initializes a dog's details: name, breed, age in months, and weight in pounds. After this, we gracefully present these details on the console. Let's execute the code. As the console reveals, it displays the meticulously initialized dog details. Now, for some coding fun, let's sprinkle in a few comments, not because this code needs it, it's pretty straightforward, but just to illustrate their power. Imagine for a moment that this code is perplexing or confusing. Let's add some simple comments to illuminate its path. Let's execute the code again, rerun the code, and observe that it remains untouched during execution. Comments serve solely to document the code without impacting its functionality.